So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cook with Neil. So today I'm gonna teach you guys that how to make the my most favorite chutney of all the time, which is of course the green chutney. So it's a perfect dip to go with any of those chatpata pakoras. So yeah, without any ado, let's get started with the recipe video then. So to make the green chutney, so first of all we are gonna need some coriander leaves, which is also known as dhania patta, and then like two green chilies, then some cloves of garlic over here. Then I have taken a big lemon. Then I have taken some tamarind, which is known as imli, and then I have taken 2 tablespoons of chaat masala, then 2 tablespoons of amchur powder, then 2.5 tablespoons of black salt, and then we will be needing like 2 cups of curd, which is known as dahi, and then we will be needing 1 tablespoons of sugar. So the need of the sugar in this recipe is to that you have to maintain the links between the spicy then the curd one, so we have to maintain like a equal balance. So we are taking like 1 tablespoons of sugar. So now let's get started. So the first step is that I've taken a mixer over here, as you can see, and then I will be putting my coriander leaves into the jar, in the mixer jar, and put them and nicely place them. So now you can see that I placed my leaves, coriander leaf, and then what you will be doing that. So in the green chili you have to just like divide into 2 parts and then put them. The green chilies divide into 2 parts, and then so I'm using 1 2 3 4 5 6 cloves of garlic in it. Put the garlic, and then we'll be putting the tamarind, and then what we have to do, we have to take the amchur powder. So I mix all the powder in, like the amchur powder, the chaat masala, and then the black salt. So I placed all the masala into this. So after putting the masala, so we are gonna now pour our lemon, the big lemon, into it. So I've already taken out the seeds also, so I don't need to worry about that, but you guys need to ensure that the seeds will be not there in it. So there you go, and let me just size it over here and put the rest of the masalas in it. So guys, now the second step is that you can now see that I've put all the masalas, then the coriander leaves. So the second step is that like take the 2 cups of curd, and then in the curd you have to put like 1 tablespoon of sugar. I already told you that it will create a nice taste in it. So just mix the sugar in it, and then what you have to do, you have to mix the sugar with the curd so that the sweetness also can come. So after putting the sugar into the curd, we're gonna now put the curd also into the mixing jar. So after putting the curd into the mixing jar, so now we will be now going to mix it. So guys, now you can see that my green chutney is all ready to be served, and you can now serve it with some pakoda or some like evening snacks also. So it's a perfect and a very spicy dip if you want. So if you want to make it more spicy, you can add some green chili powder, or sorry, some red chili powder in it also to make it more spicy. And here you go, this is my recipe of the green chutney. You can go with some snacks or some the evening snack recipe. And I hope you liked my recipe video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and then hit that bell icon for daily notification. Till then, bye guys, stay home, stay safe, and till then, make this recipe and just enjoy with your families and friends. Bye.